Hey, this is Kclegos here. And yes, we're back with Gumball Machine version 5.2. It says 5. I'm just going to leave it at that because there was no earlier YouTube videos. Just so that way people don't get confused. But this is, to me, version 5.2. You know why? Because I added some more stuff in 5.1. And then 5.2 came, which then added some more stuff. So, let's get right into the action, like normal. So, like normal, no gumball comes out. And like normal, it takes 1 nickel, 2 nickel, and 3 nickel. Okay? So then you just take, see? Doesn't move. Take 1 nickel. Place it in. Doesn't move. Take 2 nickel. Place it in. Doesn't move. Take 3 nickel. Place it in. And it opens up. Did you see that? We got a yellow gumball. Awesome. So now let's get at a different angle and watch that. So yeah, as you can see, like normal in this different angle, nothing comes out. Nothing moves. And I should also tell you that now, yes, pennies do go in and they get ejected. So they get ejected. Dimes go in. They get ejected. And quarters simply don't fit in. Whereas a nickel, if a nickel does come out here, it's because something got moved. You might have got put in weird. So then all you need to do is take it back out and put it back in. If it's a nickel. Otherwise, you know, if it's not a nickel, then it's supposed to come out there. So, 1 nickel. Wait, let me show you. It doesn't move. Take 1 nickel. Place it in. It doesn't move. So you take another nickel. Place it in. Still doesn't move. And then take your 3rd and last nickel. Place it in. Push in, pull it out. And whoa, we got a gumball. It's awesome. And now no more gumballs come out. So yeah. Yeah. So, if you guys didn't notice, that was one change. Where if you do place a penny in, it comes right back out. And if you place a dime in, it comes right back out. So that is new. And I'll also show you something else. So that actually was the thing that I changed. Sorry, I thought I had something else, but I didn't. I must have taken that out. So right here is, you know, the coin rejection area. I will show you how all of that works right now. If I can get this cap off. Aha, there we go. So as you can see, right down there. And of course now quarters will fit in because it doesn't have that roof here, but still. Makes it good example. So as you can see, with this dime that I have here, if I place it in, see how it just falls through right here? That falls through, so that way it'll come into here. So let's see if we can see that a bit more. Sorry about that. It's as close as we can Okay, let's try it now. See how that just fell right through there? How about this penny? That just fell through too. And now, if we get 1 nickel and we put it in, see how that just went right by here and fell into there. Yep, that's how that works. That's pretty much all the changes that I did in this awesome new version. So yeah, well, we'll see you next version hopefully, or next video. See you next time. This is Kclegos signing out.